Hello and welcome to our next tutorial about Teben's smart home system Luxor Living. In our session today, it's tutorial number 4, I would like to show you how to configure within Luxor Play several timer functions. Therefore, I have started Luxor Play already, and I would like to show you how to create timer functions for a standard switching light, for a dimming light, and for blinds. Let's start with the standard light. I have created a terrace light which we want to switch on. As you can see here, it's working and I can switch it on and off directly via the visualization. Anyhow, on the left side of that field, you can see few grayed out icons. I will click in that area, and here we can modify, create new time switches, timers. Just by clicking on the plus sign, I can define, is it an on or off interval switching command, and I can say, for example, in the evening at 8 o'clock, I want to switch on that light. And it should get switched off at 9 o'clock. Just by saying OK, you will see now that light is on at 8 o'clock and off at 9 o'clock. Now you can see here as well, the timer icon is no longer grayed out. You can see there is a timer function implemented for that light. The next step will be a dimming light in the corridor. Therefore, I have created that dimming light in here, which I can dim on and off. Same procedure as before. Click in that field, click on time switch, and click on plus. And for example, the use case should be, I want to switch on the light in the corridor at 8 o'clock in the evening to 40%, at 11 o'clock in the evening to 5%, and in the morning it should get switched off again. Let's implement this behavior. I will click on this one. First interval would be 30% at 8 o'clock. Next interval will be 5% at 11 o'clock. And I would like to switch it off on from Monday to Friday, for example, at 6 o'clock in the morning, but over the weekend, a little bit later, so on Saturday and something, I want to switch it off on 8 o'clock. So now we have created these 4 switching time for that dimming light with 40%, 5% off. In the next step, I want to configure blinds. For example, blinds in the bedroom. Here as well, I can run the blinds or run them up. And I will do the same, clicking on the timer function. Click on plus. All days in the week, in the evening, they should go down to 100%, the evening at 10 o'clock. And in the morning at 7 o'clock, they should go up. And also here in the overview, you can see exactly the program behavior. This is the easy way how to configure timers for switching light, dimming lights, and 4 blinds. Now we are at the end of the session. Thanks for your time and see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.